I printed out the list here. Here you go, Amy. Okay, here we go. The Bears, Chiefs, Dolphins and Jeremy, Titans for Amy, Raiders, Steelers, Chargers, Bucks, Redskins and the Colts are yours, Packers, Minnesota Vikings, Detroit, New Orleans, Buffalo Bills, Baltimore Ravens, Browns, and Eagles. All your team right there. Okay. Alright, okay. Let's go ahead and do the break now. Okay. Again, this is going to be box 8. Box 8. So rolled 4. Let's put this thing away here. Oh, hold on. Yeah. What happened, Amy? You messaged me on... Who does he PC? I don't know. I don't know who he PCs. He likes doing breaks though. I mean, he didn't tell me who he PCs on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 5, 6. Okay, empty. Cowboys, yeah. Well, I don't know, he's not really here to, you know, so I don't know how you'd want to do that. Probably just get a hold of him doing that. Alright, pack. Oh, we got a... Oh, okay. Redemption here. Alright, here we go. First card. We got Thurman Thomas for the Bills. Next card, we got Christian Ponder for the Vikings. Sidney Rice for the Hawks. And we got Josh Cribbs for the Bengals. Okay. Dear value customer, we got Devere Posing. Certified Future Signatures Materials. Okay, next up. Okay, for the Rams, we got Steven Jackson. Jamal Charles for the Chiefs. Okay. Vincent Jackson for the Bucks. Arian Foster for the Texans. And our hit, Bobby Wagner for the Seahawks. This is out of 290. 9 out of 290. There you go. Bobby Wagner. Okay. Second hit. Here we go. Des Bryant for the Cowboys. Reggie Wayne for the Colts. Calvin Johnson Jr., Megatron. Next up, Ed McCaffrey. Ed McCaffrey for the Broncos. Ooh, who's got the Vikings? Percy Harvin and Chris Carter. 4 out of 49. Minnesota. Who has the Vikings? Let me see. That's Amy. You got that one, Amy. That's a nice hit right there. 4 out of 49, and it's the just get some lint off of that thing. The Stitches in Time. Vikings. That's a nice one. You don't want to pick up their YouTube camera? There you go. Nice looking card. Okay. That's the third pack. 3 more to go. Alright. Got Tom Brady for the Pats. Chris Johnson for the Titans. And we got Steve Smith for the Carolina Panthers. Greg Little. Cleveland Browns, and then the hit is 68 out of 99, Stephen Gilmore. There it is, 68 out of 99. Blue. Freshman Phoenix Platinum Blue. It's a nice one. And go for the Bills. For the Bills. Alright, pack. There it is. Bob Grease for the Dolphins. There it is. Next up, we got Roddy White for the Falcons. Next up, we got Sterling Sharp for the Packers. And we got a serial number of Hakeem Nicks for the New York Giants. Pick up. Come on now. What number is this? There you go. 163 out of 199. 163 out of 199. And it's gonna be Platinum Blue. Platinum Blue. What did it do, Platinum Blue? Alright, Santana Moss, 36 out of 99 is the hit. And boom. Platinum Blue jersey. Santana Moss. There it is. Alright. Last pack. Okay, Jerome Bettis for the Steelers. Jerome Bettis for the Steelers. Phillip Rivers, Chargers. Alex Smith for the 49ers. San Fran. Sean Green for the New York Jets. New York. And a hit from the Chargers, Brandon Taylor, 78 out of 290. Okay. There it is. And freshman phenoms. And there it is. There's no big cowboy hit that came out. Let me just do a rundown of the hits, guys. We got freshman phenoms of Brandon Taylor. We got Santana Moss, Platinum Blue jersey. Okay, we got the Hakeem Nicks parallel Platinum Blue short print. That's out of 99 or 199. I'm sorry. We got the Stephen Gilmore for the Bills, freshman phenoms. Okay. Next up, we got the Percy Harvin, Chris Carter, Vikings dual jersey. This one is out of 49, short print. Bobby Wagner, freshman phenoms, red. Okay. And the Certified Future Signature Materials is going to be number 12, DeVier Posey. There you go. DeVier Posey. Alright, Emmy. Thank you again for joining in. I got 2 more boxes. I'll probably do that too. Same thing. I have a Laker game today, so